Welcome to Luca and Miguel. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show you how to make delicious tomato soup without any cream. This easy method focuses on fresh ingredients to create a naturally rich and flavorful soup. We'll start by selecting the best tomatoes and complementary vegetables, then gently cook them to bring out their natural sweetness. The process is straightforward, resulting in a comforting and healthy meal that's perfect for any occasion. Get ready to enjoy a truly satisfying bowl of homemade goodness. First, let's get our ingredients ready. For the best flavor, choose about 2 pounds of very ripe red tomatoes. You can use Roma or beefsteak varieties. Next, finely chop 1 medium onion and 2 cloves of garlic. These will form the aromatic base of our soup. Don't forget about 1/4 cup of fresh basil leaves, which we'll add later for a burst of freshness. Having everything prepped makes the cooking process smooth and enjoyable. Now let's build that incredible flavor. In a large pot, heat 2 tablespoons of olive oil over medium heat. Add your chopped onions and garlic, sautéing them until they are fragrant and translucent, which takes about 5 minutes. Then, stir in your chopped tomatoes and 1 cup of vegetable broth. Bring the mixture to a gentle simmer, cover, and let it cook for about 20 minutes, or until the vegetables are very soft. This slow cooking develops deep, rich flavors. Once your vegetables are tender, it's time to transform them into a silky soup. Carefully transfer the mixture to a blender, or use an immersion blender directly in the pot. Blend until it's perfectly smooth and creamy without any lumps. Return the soup to the pot if needed, then season generously with salt and freshly ground black pepper. Stir in your fresh basil leaves for a vibrant finish. Serve hot and enjoy your homemade cream-free tomato soup. And hey, if you're looking to enhance your kitchen experience, check the description for a link to the Echo Dot smart speaker and other fantastic deals.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.